Airspeeder Crewed MK4. The Airspeeder Crewed MK4 is a groundbreaking flying race vehicle that turns science fiction into reality. It is the world's first crewed flying racing car, designed for high-speed aerial motorsport. Unlike earlier drone versions, the MK4 has a real cockpit, allowing a pilot to sit inside and control the vehicle during races. This makes airspeeder racing feel more like Formula One, but in the sky. The MK4 is built for extreme speed and agility. It can accelerate incredibly fast and reach speeds of up to around 360 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest eVTOL aircraft ever created. Its lightweight body and advanced design allow it to perform sharp turns and quick movements while flying at low altitudes. AltoVolo Sigma. The AltoVolo Sigma is an exciting personal flying aircraft that combines speed, range, and versatility. It is a hybrid electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, which means it can lift straight up like a helicopter and then fly forward like a small jet. Designed for 3 passengers, the Sigma gives a glimpse of what personal air travel could look like in the near future. What sets the Sigma apart is its hybrid electric tilting jet system. By blending electric power with fuel, it can fly faster and farther than most other personal eVTOLs. It can reach speeds up to 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour, and cover around 510 miles, 820 kilometers on a single trip. This makes it ideal for city-to-city travel or longer regional flights, all while being quieter than a typical helicopter. The aircraft also focuses on safety and convenience. It has backup systems and a ballistic parachute in case of emergencies, giving passengers extra peace of mind. Bellwether Oryx. Bellwether Oryx is a futuristic flying vehicle designed to change how people travel in cities. It is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, often called an eVTOL, meaning it can rise straight up like a helicopter but fly smoothly like a plane. What makes Oryx special is its clean and sleek design. Unlike most flying vehicles, it has no visible propellers, as its propulsion system is hidden inside the body. This not only looks cool, but also helps reduce noise, making it more suitable for urban areas. CopterPack Gen3. The CopterPack Gen3 is an incredible flying machine that you wear like a backpack. It's essentially a personal helicopter, using 2 powerful rotors on the sides to lift a person into the air. Imagine strapping on a device and taking off like a superhero. That's what the Gen3 can do. What makes it special is its self-leveling autopilot system, which keeps the craft stable while flying. This means the pilot doesn't need to constantly balance it manually, making it much safer and easier to control than earlier versions. The frame is made from lightweight carbon fiber with a honeycomb structure, giving it strength without weighing it down. In tests, the CopterPack Gen3 can carry a person weighing up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds, fly as high as 10,000 feet, and reach speeds of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. Doroni H1-X. The Doroni H1-X is a cutting-edge personal flying vehicle that makes the idea of everyday air travel feel real. It is an electric eVTOL, which means it can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but fly forward like a small plane. Designed for 2 people, the H1-X aims to make short trips and commuting faster and easier by letting you avoid traffic completely. What makes the H1-X special is its convenience. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't need a runway. It can lift off from a small space like a driveway and even fit in a 2-car garage. Its electric engines and enclosed ducted fans make it quiet and safe, while its simple controls are designed so that flying feels straightforward, even for beginners. In the air, the H1-X can reach speeds of about 120 miles per hour and travel up to 100 miles on a single charge. This is enough for most city or suburban trips, making it ideal for commuters or anyone wanting a fast, futuristic way to travel. Doroni Aerospace is working to bring the H1-X into commercial production by around 2028. With its combination of car-like convenience and the freedom of flight, the Doroni H1-X gives a clear glimpse into the near future of personal air transportation. Ehang EH216-S. The Ehang EH216-S is an innovative pilotless flying taxi designed to make urban travel faster and more convenient. It is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, eVTOL, which means it can lift straight up and land in small spaces without needing a runway. What makes it truly special is that it doesn't require a pilot. The aircraft is fully autonomous, using smart systems to navigate safely and efficiently. The EH216-S is powered by electric motors, making it quiet and eco-friendly. It has been certified for safety, becoming one of the first unmanned, human-carrying eVTOLs approved for real-world flights. Its design allows it to operate in cities, flying over traffic and connecting places that would normally take much longer to reach by car. This flying taxi has already been tested in countries like China, Qatar, Indonesia, and the UAE, showing that autonomous aerial travel can be practical and safe. Gove is a futuristic electric vehicle that feels like it has arrived straight from tomorrow. Designed with a strong focus on innovation, comfort, and smart technology, this concept car shows how future mobility can be cleaner, safer, and more exciting. Its sleek exterior design is smooth and aerodynamic, helping improve efficiency while giving the car a bold and modern look on the road. Inside, Gove offers a spacious and intelligent cabin built for a relaxed driving experience. Advanced digital displays, smart controls, and AI-powered features make the car easy to use and highly interactive. The vehicle is designed to understand the driver's needs, offering voice commands, assisted driving systems, and intelligent safety features that help reduce stress during travel. Being an electric vehicle, Gove focuses on eco-friendly performance with zero emissions. Its electric powertrain promises smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and efficient energy use, making it ideal for future smart cities. The car also highlights advanced connectivity, allowing seamless integration with mobile devices and digital services. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE is a futuristic and thrilling personal flying vehicle designed for one person. It is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, which means it can lift straight up like a helicopter and fly forward like a small plane. Think of it as a racing car for the sky, giving you the freedom to soar above traffic and obstacles. The Jetson ONE is lightweight but strong, made from aluminum and carbon fiber and powered by 8 electric motors with propellers. It can reach speeds of about 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, and fly for around 20 minutes on a single charge. Safety is a key feature, with a ballistic parachute, auto-land system, radar-assisted stability, and the ability to keep flying even if one motor fails. One of the most exciting parts is how easy it is to fly. With intuitive joystick controls and a smart flight computer, most people can learn to pilot it in just a few minutes. Clisarov Acro. The Clisarov Acro is an exciting and futuristic personal flying aircraft designed for fun, adventure, and short recreational trips. It is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle, which means it can lift straight up like a helicopter and fly smoothly in any direction. Unlike regular aircraft, it is built for agility and thrill, giving the pilot a true sense of flying freedom. What makes the Acro special is its cycloidal rotor technology, which allows it to point thrust in any direction. This gives the pilot incredible maneuverability, making sharp turns and even performing aerobatic moves safely. It's like having a tiny stunt aircraft in the palm of your hands, perfect for thrill seekers. The cockpit is designed for ease of use, with dual joysticks and clear displays that make controlling the aircraft intuitive. The pilot sits under a transparent canopy for a full view of the surroundings, adding to the fun and excitement. Leo Flight JetBike. The Leo Flight JetBike is an exciting new type of flying vehicle that looks like a motorcycle for the skies. It is a single-seat, electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that lets you hover, lift off, and fly just above the ground. With its futuristic design, it feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. What makes the JetBike unique is its propeller-free design. Instead of big spinning blades, it uses dozens of small electric jets to lift off and move forward. This makes it safer, quieter, and gives it a sleek, futuristic appearance. Its compact size allows it to fit in a normal garage, and it can be charged at home like an electric car. The Jetbike can reach speeds of about 60 miles per hour and fly for 10 to 15 minutes, which is perfect for short trips or fun recreational flights. It is designed to stay safely low to the ground, around 15 feet, making it easier and safer to control. Lift Aircraft HEXA. The Lift Aircraft HEXA is a futuristic personal flying vehicle designed to be easy, fun, and safe for almost anyone to fly. It is a single-seat electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL capabilities, which means it can lift straight up like a drone and land in small spaces. With 18 electric motors and propellers, HEXA flies smoothly and stays stable even in tricky conditions. What makes HEXA special is how simple it is to operate. Instead of complicated airplane controls, it uses a single joystick and a smart autopilot system to help keep the aircraft steady. There's even a hands-free mode for autopilot, so beginners can enjoy flying without stress. Its ultralight carbon fiber frame keeps it safe, strong, and agile, and it weighs only about 432 pounds. PAL-V Liberty. The PAL-V Liberty is one of the most realistic flying cars ever made, and it is already a real working vehicle. It looks like a sporty three-wheeled car on the road, but with a few quick changes, it transforms into a small aircraft. This unique vehicle is built by a Dutch company and is designed to both drive on highways and fly through the air. On the road, the PAL-V Liberty drives like a fast motorcycle-style car, reaching speeds of around 160 kilometers per hour. It can travel long distances just like a normal vehicle, making it practical for everyday use. When it's time to fly, the rotor and propeller unfold, turning the car into a gyroplane. In the air, it can fly at speeds close to 180 kilometers per hour and reach high altitudes, allowing drivers to skip traffic completely. Pantuo Pantala eVTOL. The Pantuo Pantala eVTOL is a futuristic electric flying aircraft designed for passengers, aiming to make air travel faster, quieter, and more eco-friendly. Developed by Shanghai-based Pantuo Aviation, it is a 5-seat eVTOL, meaning it can take off and land vertically like a helicopter while flying forward like a small plane. It's envisioned as a flying taxi or short-distance commuter aircraft that could help people avoid traffic and save time on city-to-city trips. What makes the Pantala special is its sleek design and advanced technology. Silverwing Personal Flight S1. The Silverwing S1 is a futuristic personal flying vehicle designed to give people a new way to travel above traffic. It is an electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL aircraft, which means it can lift straight up like a helicopter and then tilt forward to fly smoothly like a small airplane. It's compact, sporty, and built for a single pilot, making it feel a bit like a flying motorcycle. What makes the S1 unique is its sleek design and advanced technology. The pilot sits in a streamlined cockpit in a forward-leaning position, giving a thrilling sense of speed. Powerful electric ducted fans lift the aircraft straight into the air, while built-in systems help stabilize it and make flying safe and easy. It was developed as part of the Boeing Go Fly Prize, a competition encouraging innovation in personal flight, so safety, quiet operation, and efficiency were top priorities. The Silverwing S1 can cruise at around 140 kilometers per hour and fly for about 30 minutes on a single charge. Its compact size means it doesn't need a runway. It can take off and land in small open spaces. TCAB Tech E20. The TCAB Tech E20 is a modern electric flying aircraft designed to make short urban and regional travel faster and more convenient. It is an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, which means it can lift straight up like a helicopter and then fly forward like a small airplane. This makes it ideal for flying above traffic and reaching nearby cities quickly. Designed by the Chinese company TCAB Tech, the E20 is meant to be a practical and affordable flying taxi, bringing personal air travel closer to reality. It can carry one pilot plus 4 passengers, making it suitable for small groups or family trips. Its tilt rotor system, with 6 electric rotors, allows smooth vertical lift and stable forward flight. The E20 can cruise at speeds up to 320 kilometers per hour and fly about 200 kilometers on a single charge.